New Oatmeal Plus Aloe soothes and relieves eczema-prone skin.
You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
This local forecast has been brought to you by Starbucks. Enjoy a contactless coffee run with the Starbucks app. Order your favorites ahead.
Watching fog come and go in Calgary through time-lapse. We'll begin in Manitoba, specifically here, Poplarfield, Manitoba. So one day after warm weather shattered 22 temperature records in Manitoba, many parts of the province were under snowfall warning on Tuesday. Some areas getting 10 to 20 centimeters, while needless to say, the weather has since cooled since Monday's dizzying warmth. Hawaii's Honolulu and Kauai counties were placed under a flash flood watch on Monday as heavy rain inundated the region overnight. Video shared on Instagram shows floodwaters submerging this truck parked on a street, and flash flood warnings were extended into Oahu. All right, if only the fog would come and go this quickly. Obviously, this is time-lapse video here. The temperatures this week are also going to be kind of like a time-lapse, from minus 13 tonight to plus 13 over the weekend. Well, very glad you could join.